MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new Nautique Paragon G25. This is a very, very gorgeous boat. We've got the Admiral Blue metal flake side hull color on here, matched with the haze gray hull bottom and haze gray hull interior gel coat. Really, really nice sharp look to it. We've got that bright Paragon chrome down the side here, the cutaway on the windshield. We've got our 3-stage tower on here, also done in the haze gray and Admiral Blue. As we take a look at the back of the boat, we'll have some other features to go over. All right, now coming around to the stern of the boat here, we're gonna have a lot of cool features. We have the signature seating in the rear here. We'll flip those up when we get on the boat, and you can take a look at just how luxurious they are. We're gonna have sea deck across our swim platform here, our storage cooler right here. As we look underneath our swim platform, we're gonna have the rear ladder for getting in. As always, we're gonna have our Nautique surf systems, our surf pipe, and underwater lights as well on this boat. Let's hop up here, we'll take a look at our rear seating and go through the interior of the boat. All right, now here at the back of the boat, it's really where this boat's gonna shine. We've got our massive amount of storage that's gonna be down underneath. Everything for ballast is gonna be subfloor. So we've got tons of open space for storage for boards and everything else. Nautique is also gonna have this great walkway in and out of the boat. So you're not stepping on any of your interior furniture when you're getting on and off, making life nice and easy. The rear seating back here flips up to give you that really, really nice, relaxing hangout spot on the back of the boat. All right, so as we take a look at some of the features on this boat, the Paragon is gonna be loaded with options. From our strapless board racks to our Fender Pro system, all nice stainless cleats on here, our fully actuated tower. We're gonna have our power point above with our light on the top here. The JL audio sound system that's gonna be throughout this boat is just fantastic. This also has the wake subs in the rear cavities, giving you that extra sound thrown out towards the rider. Moving through the interior, everything's hand stitched. The Paragon has its own setup for all of its vinyls. This is gonna have the haze gray as your main interior color, and you can see all of our seat boxing and finishes is be mostly in the Admiral Blue, giving it a nice clean look. Very, very nice sophisticated setup to it. As we come up to our driver's helm here, we've got the race inspired cutaway seat. We're gonna have a nice comfortable leather wrapped steering wheel, all of your helm controls and your helm command, all at your fingertips. Everything's ready to be actuated, all very easy touch screens. The Paragon is gonna be the only option that has the dual screens to it. This is a really, really unique boat set up with all kinds of features. Give us a call at MarineMax in Rogers.